Okay, for anybody that doesn't know what the hell O2 bung, what I'm looking for. Alright, O2 sensor goes in there on your exhaust, right? So your shit can read how much fuel it's burning, whatever O2 is left. Anyways, I just needed a bolt with them threads so I could weld it into my new exhaust. I can't find one nowhere, not even at the auto parts store. So I'm gonna cut, this is my new collector in. So I'm gonna cut that one out, bring it over here, cut this one out, put it in there, and put it on my brand new long tube. Brand new long tube, 3-inch hookers. And they're going 3 all the way, baby. All the way, baby. Keep with me. Look at looking good. Finally got my my tank purge vacuum back set up to put back together since I EGR deleted everything. There's a whole box of vacuum shit that goes there that I got rid of. Whole box of shit there. EGR there, that's gone. All that shit. Your boy working on his truck, getting rid of shit. You don't need no more. Gonna be pure 11. Anyways. Still need new 19.5s. Anybody got a set of 19.5s that'll fit over these disc brakes? Without these, I need the right offset. Anyways, that's a problem for later. So I gotta get back to work with this baby. Got the back blacked out a little better. Alright. Keep you posted. This coming next, boy. It's going in the Stang next. This is taking longer than I thought.